So yun guys, nakasakay na tayo. Ayan, first time ko makasakay sa unahan ng train. Ganda ng view dito, kitang-kita natin yung daan. Yeah! Ayan, tumuloy tayo sa bridge. Ayan. Malapit na tayo guys.
Thank you for taking Kintetsu Railway. We will soon be arriving at the final stop, Kyoto.
Kyoto Station na guys. Yeah!
The doors on the right side will open. Please be careful.
Journey starts today. Journey starts today.
Morning guys, so today dito tayo ngayon sa Nagoya Station and we are going to Kyoto. So tara, let's go! Kintetsu Rail tayo guys. So nag-avail nga pala kami ng Kintetsu Rail Pass sa Klook. Unlimited train ride for 5 days. So nasa description na yung link. And this includes unlimited rides on Kintetsu Rail, Iga Rail, cable cars, Nara, Mi, and Toba City Bus. And you can choose between 1 day, 2 day, and 5 day pass. So for us, we avail the 5-day pass and you have access to go to Osaka, Nara, Kyoto, Mi, and back to Nagoya. And it is valid for 180 days upon purchasing. And it only costs 1,914 pesos each person for 5 days. So tara, sakay na tayo ng train. Ayan, Kintetsu Line. Let's go! So guys, regular train lang pala yung Kintetsu Pass dahil masyadong mahal yung bullet train. Nasa 2,000 pesos each person. Pero 30 minutes lang yung ride niya pag bullet train. Right, pasok na tayo. Okay, sakay na tayo ng tren. Alright, let's go to Kyoto. Ayan guys, enjoy muna natin yung view.
Next stop is Yatomi. Station number E11. After leaving
Umulan na guys, so sana hindi umulan pagdating natin sa Kyoto. So guys, this is the Kintetsu Rail map and you can have this once you avail the Kintetsu Rail Pass. And we can go to Osaka, Kyoto, Nara, Yoshino, Toba, and Nagoya. And going to Kyoto, our transfer will be on Ise Nakagawa and Yamato Yagi. And we'll stop at Kyoto Station.
大阪、奈良、京都方面はお乗り換えです。この電車は次までです。
Right, dito na tayo sa Ise Nakagawa. Ngayon sakay naman tayo papunta ng Yamato Yagi. Lipat tayo ng train. Magno-Norekai tayo. Norekai. Sabihin na Norekai, transfer ng train. So, Norekai tayo. Yan guys, meron mga limited express train at express train. Pag limited is meron siyang reserved seat. At pag express train naman is konti lang yung stops ng station. So take note of that para makalis sa travel time. And take natin yung mga express train. Ito yun yung train guys. Going to Osaka siya pero okay lang dahil dadaan naman ng Yamato Yagi. At doon tayo bababa for transfer.
Tama. Osaka Uematsu kasi Norekai tayo.
Doon.
Normal ano lang tayo.
Right, sakay na tayo. Ah, iba yung upuan nila dito. Doon nakaharap. Let's go by Ise Nakagawa. Ayan, enjoy muna natin yung countryside view ng Japan. Ayan, ganda ng view. Ayan o, ganda ng view ng mga bahay. Yay.
This train is the express bound for Osaka Uehomachi. This train will be stopping at every station until Sakurai. The next stop is Higashi Aoyama. Station number B56.
Ayan o, ganda ng park nila.
Masak pa ba lang mo? Maya maya. Ganda no? Parang haba na ng sala.
The next stop is Nishi Aoyama.
Grabe guys, ang ganda ng view. Sarap tumambay sa train tapos manood sa ganitong view. Nakaka-relax. Yan guys, mahamog. Oh, sana tumila na yung ulan mamaya.
Doors on Please be clear for trains to Ashikaga Shinjuku, Yoshino, Henry, Nara, and Kyoto. After leaving Yamato Depot, this train will be stopping at Yamato.
Yamato Yagi na guys, transfer na ulit tayo. Next stop, Yamato Yagi na. Kintetsu. Dito na tayo sa Yamato Yagi. Magnonorikay na tayo. Panara. So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa Yamato Yagi. Let's go! For Yamato Seidaiji, Kyoto. Ayan, for Nara,
Oo, kunan mo.
Tenri,
Kunan mo buong yan.
Yamato Seidaiji. Ayan. Down. Sa kabila. So tara, sakay na tayo ng elevator dahil sa kabila yung sakay ng train pa Kyoto. Hindi kaya, ang tagal lumakit ah.
こちら側のドアが開きます。連絡通路内です。
Yan, tawid lang tayo sa kabila. So, baba na ulit. Yan. For Kyoto, for Nara. Yan, let's go. Yes. Yan, wala pa yung train pa Kyoto, so wait muna tayo. Yan na guys, sakto, express train pa Kyoto. Onti lang yung stops nito. Let's go! So yan guys, nakasakay na tayo. Ayan, first time ko makasakay sa unahan ng train. Ganda ng view dito, kitang-kita natin yung daan. Yeah! Alright, let's enjoy the front view of train ride to Kyoto. Ayan, nag-stop tayo sa isang station. Yun na guys, may mga bahay na. Malapit na tayo sa Kyoto. Yes. Ayan, tumalay tayo sa bridge. Yan. Malapit na tayo guys. Grabe, sobrang tahimik dito sa sa train. Wala kayong maririnig na nag-uusap. Ayan, front view naman ulit tayo.
ありがとうございました。新幹線、JR 線、地下鉄烏丸線はお乗り換えです。お忘れ物のないようご注意ください。近鉄をご利用いただきありがとうございました。
Thank you for taking Kintetsu Railway. We will soon be arriving at the final stop, Kyoto. Station number 1. Please change here on the Shinkansen JR Kawashima subway line.
Kyoto Station na guys. Yeah.
The doors on the right side will open. Please be careful.
Sabi guys, daming release ng train, no? Malaking station kasi si Kyoto. Right. So tara, baba na tayo. Ayun guys, dulo na ng train yung Kyoto Station. And that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Arigato, thanks. Ja, mata ne.